How to swap TRC20 USDT on Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So when you try to go on the swap section, you won't be able to find the TRX on it. Like when you click on the chain, you won't be able to find TRX. So how do we do it? For this, you will have to go to the section of browse. If you are on mobile device, you will be able to find the option of browse. Just simply search for pancake swap and swap it over there. But in case if you are on PC or laptop, just simply search for pancake swap on your browser and then open up the swap. Now this is how it will appear. After that, click on this option of connect wallet and select the option of trust wallet. Now it will ask you to connect. Just simply connect your trust wallet and switch the network. You can change your network over here as well. Now select USDT over here, and at the bottom just simply select any of the token or coin for which you want to do the transaction. Suppose you want to change it to TRX. Just simply select TRX at the bottom and then type the amount of USDT that you want to convert to, and after that just simply preview this particular transaction and complete it. And this way you would be able to swap this particular transaction quite easy, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.